Okay, this is the Sprint 2 update for the object-oriented term project. So, user story. As a space enemy, I want to appear at the top of the screen and at a random time, so the gamer cannot predict when I will appear. The acceptance criteria. The space enemy moves across the screen at random times. The space enemy appears randomly, so it cannot be determined when it will appear. And the space enemy appears immediately. Finally, the space enemy disappears after colliding with the shooter. So to demonstrate that, I'm just going to run the project. And we'll pull this up. Let's see, they appeared immediately, randomly. And you'll notice that anytime I collide, they will fall down. Next, as the user story as a laser, I want to be released at the press of the B button so that the shooter can easily and rapidly fire at the enemy. Acceptance criteria, the lasers launch away from the shooter as the shooter changes location. The lasers launch straight up from wherever the laser was launched from, and the lasers launch and travel faster than the missile. It's an important aspect. The missile, you'll see, fires at that rate, and we can even show that the lasers travel faster than most missiles there. And finally, as a laser, I want to disappear from the screen wherever a collision occurs and release several lasers at the rapid press of a button so that the gamer can know which lasers have been detonated and kill enemies at a rapid pace. And multiple lasers are released when the spacebar is pressed rapidly. Lasers detonate upon collision with the enemy. You see here, oh, there you go.